Hello, and let me thank you for being with me today. If you're new, then welcome aboard, and if you are a returning subscriber, then hi. It's always nice to have you back. So I've got a little unboxing. It's from Obujo, and I do have an affiliate link with Obujo, and there is also a coupon code. I will put it in the description what the coupon code is, but you can always find it in my Linktree links, which is always in the description. I do make a small commission if anybody checks out you know, through my link and through my my code. So thank you to those who have shopped with them before, or any of the other shops that I've got affiliate links with. I really do appreciate it. So this came the other day. It is a little bit crushed, but it's fine inside. I just took a little peep. So let's have a look. Now I did choose my own things, so I don't know if they've put anything else in or not. I did order it a few weeks ago. Came pretty quick. So let's have a look. Now I've had a couple of these before, different ones. The ones that I had before was like big square holes, and they had a different one, so I fancied a couple more. Really like these. Let's have a look. So that's fabulous. Yeah, I like that. Nice to layer something on the top, or you know, in the background. I do use these kinds of things quite often, as you'll have seen. Give you that nice rustic look, and then that's nice as well. And they're not, you know, they're not thick, they're not chunky, they're not thin, but yeah, they're definitely not chunky, so they won't add that much bulk. So they're really nice. Shall put those with my collection. Now I thought these would be very fun. I've never seen them before. I know you can get those big machines, what is it, a clinch or something like that, but I think they were selling these in, looks like sets of 5. So I chose the black and the pink, and yeah, I thought they'd be good for making little notebooks with, and I will just use my hole punch to punch the holes. They open like that and then just clinch together. So I thought that would be you know, a different type of notebook. So that's those. They did have other colours. These was cheap as chips. Yeah, there was, I don't know, £1 or something. Very, very reasonable. So that is those. Don't know what this is. I think they might have just put this in. It's not looking, it's not ringing any bells for me. Oh, so this is vellum. So we've got some coffee cups, some checkers, some donuts, some ice creams, and some brown stripes. So yeah, I didn't order them. They probably just popped those in for me, so that's nice. Some William Morris stamps, I think they are. I was very excited when I saw these. I don't know how many there is. It probably says, but I can't see. No, I can't see, but it looks like there's two of each. Ooh, nice. I might get some little tiny birds and stick them on. That would look really nice. Love that in the burgundy. And these are stickers. Yeah. So it just says William Morris at the bottom. I don't know how well you can see them on the camera. But yeah, they're great. Just hope I can find some really little tiny images. I wonder how they would stamp with stays on, because I've definitely got a small bird stamp. Some little tiny mushrooms would look nice on them as well. So that is that. What's in this one? Ooh, I can't remember ordering this either. Or maybe I did, because they're my kind of colours. They're my colours. So I've got some washi. Oh, sorry, that was a bit squeaky. Oh, that plastic feels really cool. I've never felt any like that. It's really unusual. So yes, I remember these now. They've got like stamped and text. I thought they looked very Tim Holtzy, and I think at the time when I ordered them, I was obviously making the Tim Holtz lap book. And then we've got some in green, which would be nice for the botanicals. And then we've got some blue ones. So we've got 3, I mean, that's virgin on green, isn't it? It's a teal. But I'll say we've got 3 blues, 3 greens, and then 4 different browns. So yeah, they're lovely. So that's them. You don't get an awful lot on them, but these are really inexpensive. So I'll put those there. Then I had some wider, and you'd always get a lot on the wider ones. What is it? Washi. And I use this quite a lot for you know, joining things together and maybe putting in the spines on file folders and that kind of thing. It's also nice in collage, the thicker ones. I use it a lot when I'm doing like botanical collages. That's it. So I just picked a text one. It's got some pictures on it, some like diagram type pictures. Let's just get okay, I'm nearly there. They're always a pain, aren't they, to first get into. Okay. So yeah, just, oh, they book like book pages. It's the wrong way around. Oh, I do like that. So it's got like technical drawings on. So yeah, it's really sticky. Yeah, very sticky, and it's a nice neutral colour. So great for, you know, patches and rips and when you're trying to cover things over. So that's that one. I ordered these to go with the gentleman kit. Obviously I have finished that project for the minute, but I will be going back to doing the gentleman kit because I would like to mix the gentleman kit with our midnight meadow. I thought it would go really nice. So these are just black and white images with lots of men sitting, standing. Oh, I thought I was going to say that's a flower. Yeah, somebody writing with a feather pen. Lots of dapper chappies. So it looks like there's two of each. So yeah, they'll come in very handy. So that is those. I don't know how many. Oh, 30 pieces. So that's those. Gonna keep that and put it in my Trash Tuesday box. Oh yes, I had some, you know, because I love tickets. Always love tickets. I had this brown set, so they'd got these in all different colours, so I went for neutral. So we've got tickets, and I've got some circles. I love circles. I don't think packs have enough circles, and I really don't. And nice strips of tickets, great to decorate up, and then with some invoices, which are always handy, and that's on really nice paper. It's quite textured, and it isn't stark white at the back, which is good. So yeah, just invoices. So I did do that project not so long ago, you know, pinning some invoices together, which looked quite nice. I will save that, and that will go in Trash Tuesday. Let's move those scissors. Get rid of these shiny pages. Now I did, and I might have got those. I definitely ordered this as a giveaway. So this will be going in my giveaway drawer, because I've already got one very similar. Well, it's the same but different pictures, and I was really impressed with it. So these are all stickers, and even though that's shiny on the other side, the front is actually a matte, so they look, you know, really nice. And I had this in florals and butterflies. I think mine was more botanical. And then there's some papers at the back, you know, papers, and these are really nice textured as well. So that's going to go in one of the giveaway boxes, and I also ordered this to go in the giveaway box. I think I ordered these tickets actually to go in the giveaway as well. So these are nice pieces of paper. I've had a set of these myself before, and part of them are paper and part of them are vellum. And I don't know if I chose butterflies, or I'm never going to be able to put that back on, am I? So these are papers, so it looks as if you get, see, about 2, 4, there was about 6 there, and then you get the matching vellum. Then you've got some more papers. There's probably 5 actually, and then the matching vellum. That's nice. So yeah, I chose butterflies. So that's that. So I thought that went nice with that. I'm going to save the wrappers to put them back in, and yeah, that does go with that. So that's that. And oh yes, I thought I'd not seen these before, and they're, again, you know, the small papers, but they've got the nice lace on, which I thought was was nice, because sometimes, you know, when you're making tags and things, you don't want the bulky lace on. So yeah, there's lots in there, and again, it's really nice paper. It's got a decent weight. It's not, you know, flyaway paper. It's not that you're going to put glue on it and it's going to be wet through. So there's 50 pieces of these. So that's that. Oh, I should keep that. And I love these packs. So they're a mixture of material and paper. I've had a couple in the past, and they come in really handy. So we've got this net one with the like white, I don't know, like gesso type stuff, and then we've got this one with all the fibres in. Got this brown one with all fibres in. Sorry about the shine. This feels lovely. It's like presentation paper. And this one, it's got holes in it. That one, that's nice. I don't know if you can see. It's very like a linen paper. And we've got that netting. This, which is, you know, crumpled up paper, and that feels really nice. Another netting one. And this, which is a bit like kind of wallpaper, but it's not. It's definitely a handmade kind of thing. But yeah, really good for layering and things like that. So that is going in the giveaway as well. I thought it would make a full kind of set. So that's that. So yes, it's very neutral, very me. But you know, they do have different colours in things. It's just that I, you know, stick with the neutrals. And yeah, it just, you know, even if you don't keep your things neutral, I think it's a good base. So yeah, I'll just move it all so we can see. I'm really pleased. And I shall add those as well, because I've lots of vellum. Ooh, I like that. That's going in my Trash Tuesday boxes as well. So thank you very much for joining me. These will pop up in a giveaway. It'll probably be buy me a coffee giveaway. And like I say, the code will be in the description. So thank you very much, and like I say, thank you to those who have supported me and shopped with one of the online shops. So thank you, and I will see you in the next crafting video. So bye for now.